And next topic is Karnaugh map, simply called K-map. Karnaugh map, simply called K-map. In K-map method, here we don't use any Boolean theorems and any Boolean rules. Okay, here the K-maps are classified into, first see the one variable K-map, and second one is the two variable K-map, and third one is the three variable K-map, and fourth one is the four variable K-map, and fifth one is the five variable K-map. Okay, first see the K-map structure. How to detect the how many cells is there? We classify the how to find out the number of cells. What is the formula? Number of cells equal to 2 power of n. Here n is indicates the number of inputs. Okay, this is the formula for how to select the number of cells, how to find out the number of cells. First see the one variable K-map. First see the one variable K-map. Here this is the one variable, that is one variable is we can considering the A. Okay, in this how many cells? Number of cells equal to 2 power of, here one variable is there. One variable, 2 power of 1, that is 2 cells. You can write down the structure. 2 cells. This is a 2 cells. In this decimal number, this is the gray code 0, 1. Here we are using the variable is, this is A bar and this is A. Okay, and next see the two variable K-map. Two variable K-map. In two variable K-map, we are using the input variables are A and B. So find out the how many cells is there. Number of cells equal to 2 power of 2, that is 4 cells. We can draw the 4 cells. This is 4 cells. Here we are considering the input variable, this is A and this is B. In this, in this gray code indication, that is 0, 0, 0, sorry. And this is the input variables are A and B. Okay, this is B bar, this is B, this is A bar, A. Here A bar is 0 and B is 1. A bar is 0 and A is 1. This is the gray code indication. And then 0, 0, the decimal number is 0, 0, 1, decimal number is 1, 1, 0, decimal number is 2, and 1, 1, decimal number is 3. This is the 4 cells by to find out the two variable K-map. And next see the three variable K-map. Three variable K-map. In three variable K-map, we are using the input variables are A, B, C. Three variables. So number of cells equal to 2 power of 3, that is 8 cells. So we draw the 8 cell K-map structure. This is the 8 cells. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, here we are considering the input variables are A, B, C. Okay, this is the gray code indication, that is 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0. And this is 0, 1. This is the gray code indication. Then 000, the decimal number is 0, 001, decimal number is 1, 011 3, 010 is 2, and 100 is 4, and 101 is 5, 111 is 7, and 110 is 6. This is the 8-cell K-map structure. And next see the 4-variable K-map. 4-variable K-map. In 4-variable K-map, we are considering the input variables are A, B, C, D. So find out the number of cells. Number of cells is equal to 2 power of 4, that is 16 cell. So we draw the 16 cell K-map structure. Here A, B, C, D are the input variables. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the 16 cells. Okay, here the gray code is 00, 01, 10, 11. And this is 00, 01, 1110. Okay, here 0000 4 zeros, the decimal number is 0. The next 0001, decimal number is 1, and 0010 is, this is 11 and this is 10, and 0011 is 3, and 0010 is 2. In cell the numbers are decimal numbers, and these are the gray code indication. Okay, and 0100 is 4, and 0101 is 5, 7, 6. And next this is 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 0 to 15. These are the 16 cell K-map structure. In this is the 16 cells. Okay, next see the 5-variable K-map structure. 5-variable K-map. Okay, next see the 5-variable K-map. Here the input variables are A, B, C, D. Okay, 5 variables. These are the 4 variables, and these are the 3 variables. In these 2 variables, and this is the 1 variable. Variables are 3 and variables are 2. In these 4 variables and these 5 variables. Okay, here we are considering the A, B, C, D and also E. Okay, and first we draw the A bar structure, and this is A bar. A bar is 0, and divide the portion. This is BC and this is DE. Okay, first this is a bar structure. A bar. This is 4 cells, and here how many cells is there? So find out the number of cells equal to 2 power of 5, that is 32 cells. This is the A bar 16 cell structure. And next this is A. A means 1. Okay, this is A structure. This one also divide the portion B, C, D, E. This one also 16 cells. 16 plus 16, 32 cells. Okay, 16 cell structure. And here this is the gray code indication 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0. And this is 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0. And this one also 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0. And this is 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0. Okay, this is A equal to 1, 16 cells, and this is A bar structure. 16 plus 16, finally 32 cells. Here how to detect the decimal numbers? 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. This cell is 0. And next 0 0 0 0 0 1. This is 1. And next 0 triple 0 double 1 is 3. And triple 0 1 0 decimal number is 2. And next triple 0, sorry, we considering this row. Double 0 1 double 0 decimal number is 4. And double 0 1 0 1 is 5. And next double 0 triple 1 is 7. And next double 0 1 double 1 0 is 6. And next considering this row, 0 double 1 double 0 is double 1 double 0 is 12. And this is 0 double 1 0 1 is 13. 0 double 1 double 1 is 15. 0 double 1 1 0 is 14. And next we considering this row, 0 1 0 double 0 is 8. And 0 1 0 0 1 is 9. This is 10. And this one 11. Okay, 0 to 15 16 cells. And next considering the A equal to 1 and B C D E. First you considering this one, 1 double 0 double 0, 1 4 zeros is considering the cell is 16. And this is 1 double 0 0 1 is 17. And this is 18. And this is 19. And next we considering the A equal to 1, 1 0 1 double 0 is 20, 21, 22, 23. And next one, this is 24. We considering the 1 0 double 1 0 double 0 is 24. Double 1 0 0 1 is 25. This is 26. And this is 27. And this is 28, 29, 30 and 31. Okay, 0 to 31 cells, that is 32 cells. Okay, these are the 5 variable K-map structure. Okay, and this is the 5 variable K-map structure. And here the grouping is in one variable K-map. How to grouping here? First we prefer the 8 cell grouping. First we prefer the 8 cells grouping, and next we prefer the 4 cells grouping, and next we prefer the 2 cells grouping. Okay. In one variable K-map, we grouping the either 2 cells, these 2 cells, or 1 cell. And next here we are grouping the either this row or this row, and this row. Okay. And next either to grouping the 0 4 or 2 6. We grouping these 2 rows and these 2 rows, or this group and this group. Okay. And next here we grouping the either these 4 cells and these 4 cells. Totally 8 cells grouping. And in 4 variable we can group also 0 1 2 3 or 8 9 10 11. This is a 8 cell grouping. And here we grouping the A bar is there and A is also is there. So we grouping the 16 cells. Okay. Here the 0 1 2 3 and 8 9 6, and same places in A equal to 1 cell, that is 6 7 19 and 18 and 20 24 25 26 27. Okay, same places, we grouping the same places. Okay, these are forces. Okay, this is overall about the K-map.